Today is a quick and simple recipe, vegan egg salad made with no oil and no wheat. If you like egg salad, you'll absolutely love this recipe. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so today we're making a quick and easy vegan egg salad. Let's talk about what we're going to use to do that. We're going to start with some pumpkin seed tofu. Now, for this recipe, by all means, you could use store-bought tofu. So whatever kind of tofu is your favorite, you can use that. What I'm using, though, is some tofu that I made myself out of pumpkin seeds. And I really like it. One, is super health promoting. And then two, it has a nice texture to it. If you want to see how to make pumpkin seed tofu, you can look in the description below the video, and I'll have a link to my pumpkin seed tofu so you can make it and use this also. But again, it's more convenient to go out and buy store-bought tofu. So if that's what you do, you can certainly use that for this recipe. We're going to use some chopped red onion, some chopped celery, some chopped green onions, some turmeric, some Dijon mustard, and then some black Himalayan salt. And then we're going to use for the mix HV mayo. This is my HV mayo again. This is made with cashews. I have a nut-free version as well. If you want to see the recipe for my HV mayo, that will be in the description below the video also. So pretty simple recipe. That's what we're doing today. Quick and easy. These are all ingredients we need. Let's start putting them together. So as I mentioned, if you have tofu or a tofu alternative on hand, this is a super easy lunch or dinner to throw together. Now I'm just combining my HV mayo with the rest of my ingredients and getting it mixed up really well. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. So lately I've received several emails and DMs asking for my opinion on supplements, and in particular creatine. Now, I first heard great things on creatine several years ago, but I was skeptical and thought it was just the latest fad for hardcore weightlifters. But once I started diving into the science behind it, I realized that creatine is actually a supplement for overall health, not just physical performance. Although it's great for building muscle, what drew me to it is that it supports the entire body and mind. Creatine has been shown to help with energy production, recovery after workouts, and even mental clarity. And there are additional benefits like improved bone health and support for cognitive and reproductive health that makes creatine a smart investment in my future health, not just a short-term performance booster. Now, if you read about creatine, you'll find that one of the main concerns, like many supplements, is product purity. Many supplement companies sell products that include sketchy fillers and vague labels. However, Complement Creatine has just one ingredient, micronized creatine monohydrate, sourced from Germany, which is some of the best in the world. Every batch is third-party tested for purity, and they actually publish their results right on their website. And this kind of transparency is rare in the supplement world. Complement Creatine dissolves quickly and completely in water or smoothies with no weird texture or taste, and it's also vegan and cruelty-free. And you can check out this product by tapping in the descriptions below. Now let's get back to this recipe. All right, so the final step is adding the tofu, or in this case, pumpkin seed tofu. Now I'm crumbling the tofu into a mix of small and larger pieces because as you mix it, the tofu will break up a bit more, and this gives it the texture that I prefer. Now I'm ready to turn this into a sandwich. Now I'm using lettuce and tomato and my HV millet bread, which I'll link in the description below. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy vegan, no egg salad sandwich that I am ready to taste for you, of course. All right, our sandwiches are now done and they look delicious. Now, I've made this recipe many times, so I know this is gonna be good. It's spot on. The black salt gives it the perfect flavor. It's easy to make if you got tofu on hand. You can't beat it. Quick, easy, and delicious. Vegan egg salad sandwich, healthy vegan style. Delicious every time. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.